Yo, what up, man? Unity. What up? Well, good morning, Monet. Good morning. Good morning. I'm still setting all this up. Oh, I'm almost done. Just freaking. Dude, I don't know why we just dumped. There we go. There we go. Uh, Oh, morning BK. BK last night wasn't that good, dude. I think it's due to I want to say it's due to the non-movement. It was actually awful. Yo, let me switch this to live chat. This thing just unloaded. Wait, what the fuck? Dude, I didn't even make this trade. Dude, I didn't even make this trade. Wait, what? Dude, I didn't even make that trade. Where the fuck did that trade come from? Dude. Good morning. Good morning. I'm trying to figure out where this ghost trade came from. I have no idea. Dude, I wasn't even around. Dude, I have no idea I have no idea. Fucking crazy. Morning, morning, morning. Yeah, it wasn't a pro account, but jeez. What up, Arish? Good morning, Simone. I have no idea what it was. Um, I'm just looking. Dude, I have no idea. It's definitely a limit. I mean, that's fucking far. I would never. I don't know. I don't know, man. I have no idea. That's crazy. I'm just gonna have to make it back. Uh, Not sure why I'm on the 1 second. Ooh, we about to take out London lows, baby. I might make it back right here. I might make it back on the London low sweep. Dude, I'm not even kidding you. We just swept London lows. I am interested in this. I'm very interested in this. I know, Marie. You know what's crazy is it's only the software and the prop firm niche. If you go into the actual like options trading and things like that, there's no issues. How is this not a London low sweep? The low is right here. What am I missing? This was the low. Am I missing something? You mean like it's going to keep continuing down? That's possible. I'm just Oh, okay. I thought you think that like we didn't go under. I'm just saying we're under London lows. We're under the lows. We've come back through. I am debating. I usually don't like trading at this time. This is an awful time for me, but I might have to take this. I wouldn't mind seeing one more down, to be honest. Get another like 15, 17 points lower. Dude, the range was not big. It was not big at all last night. Come on, come further down. Come down to like 50, 51. I am stalking this though. This is something I like. So far, I have. Did that not copy trade? I thought that would have copy traded, to be honest with you. I'm willing to take the shot. I'm risking 5 points. See, that's the only thing that's weird about in the morning. Like you're risking 5 points and it looks so big. It's only 5 points. It's only like $60. Well, no, this is, was it 8 points? It's really not a lot of points. Yo, straight banger. Yo, I mean, if you're happy, take it. This is why I don't trade in the morning. It's not like it's not. It's so weird. This is why I don't trade Asia. Also, it's just the moves are so fucking like small. At least I made some of it back, right? At least I made some of that back. I mean, you'd want to see the next candle here push on through. Oh, my eyes. Come on. You want to see one of these candles right here get over 79 and push up. Kind of what you I mean, I'm at break even. You couldn't get in fast enough. They make a pill for that. Oh man. Come on. Only because it's pre-market. I'm taking one. I'm just taking that account off. I have no fit. I don't know. I mean, we might. I'm taking that one off. I'm gonna let this one just fucking ride. I just took another off here just because it's kind of slowing up, and I want to lock it in. I wonder if they rip it though all the way back up. I'm at it's a free trade, so I don't at this point I've gotten enough out of it. So I'm just hanging. Just hanging. What did I get? 100, 110. I sold 3 of them. Well, I sold 2 of them right here. 95, 110, and another. So that's over $300. And we still got 2 more left. Yeah, Maria, I suck here. I suck at pre-market, but the structure was there. Like my rules, it matched my rules, so I have to take it, which is, it just swept London lows, came back through. We had an inversion. Listen, I made money. And now I'm riding dirty. Let's go. I have nothing to lose. I'm up. I am literally up. So, they ended up stopping me out. All right. Well, they ended up stopping me out in that account. So let's see what happens. There, took me out. All right, whatever. Whatevs. We broke even on that. On the last 2 we broke even on, so it's $300. Something. Little action. Little action. So don't do this, but I actually took this in a funded account. I'm stopping out. I took 1 contract. I'm stopping out at the low. And I'll just show you where I'm at. I'm stopping out at the low and 611 I'm looking for. I'm not touching it. Like I'm not moving my stop. I'll move my stop up if we get to like 88. I'll just go to break even, but I have no desire to it's one of those things that I'm not touching it. Without news, Globex is usually a mean reversion market that almost always retests yesterday's close from the first. I could see that being true, even though I didn't look at it. It definitely, as it drops, comes right back. We shall see. Dude, I love the gifts. Micros? No. It's one mini. I'm stopping out at low a day, which is like 563, and I'm just holding it. I don't know why, but that's how I trade my funded futures accounts. So, the testing on NinjaTrader, it's pretty good. It was a winner on Monday, a winner on Tuesday. Last night we lost. I'll be honest with you, last night it probably lost because it just didn't really move around at all. We didn't move around at all. Yeah, I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Hold on. I'm dealing with some crazy kid shit. Hold on one second. I'm still in this trade. Dude, you don't even want to know. You don't even want to know. They're walking out of the house, go to the bakery, and my daughter shuts the door, hits my other kid. He grabs her hair, throws her to the ground, and punches her. This is what I'm dealing with. Yo, what up, Black Beauty? Akib? Yo, what up? My bad. How's trading going? Trading's going pretty good. I might take this trade off. I'm just taking it off there. Did I not get back in here? Did I not? I only got back in there. I'm still in my funded futures. I'm up 145 in my funded account, and I'm holding. Yeah, I'm not going to lie. Dude, he's just fucking I'll be honest with you, I like it because he doesn't take any shit. My son will not take any shit from anybody. You know, we were hanging out somewhere. So my son told some kid to stop. The kid didn't stop, and then there was an issue. I'm like, dude, if the kid tells you to stop and you keep doing it, what's going to happen, dude? You tell me what's going to happen. If my son says stop and then you do it again, you have been warned to stop. I don't know what you want. That's what I told the other parent. I was like, bro, if my son tells your kid to stop and your kid doesn't stop, what do you think the next thing is going to happen? Hold on. Now it's my wife. Yeah, so I don't know. Did I just sell out at the top there? I still have the my funded futures account. I'm still in, so we'll see what happens. All right, I got to set up my copy trader. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts for NVIDIA. 6, 7. And then I'm going to ride 8. Oh, I have another one, 8. I think I have 9 accounts for NVIDIA. We'll see what happens. Copy traders. I'm setting it up right now. This is kind of broken, to be honest with you. This is not what you want. Dude, for some reason, the round trip $5 commissions. What is it normally? $3? All 9 evals. One of them is a funded account. What up, Sean? Yo, we just got equal lows. Well, I just got taken out of my funded futures. Dude, Little Cove does not fuck around. Fucking little guy. Dude, all I know is when he's 16, 14, 16, there's going to be some fucking wars in the house. You better calm the fuck down. Yeah, I think I don't know. I don't know. Quant Tower. Whoa, I gotta load up my Quant Tower. Look at my Quant Tower. Yo, we're back below London lows, by the way. This is becoming interesting again for me to go to the upside. When does it become really interesting? When does this become super, super interesting? Dude, we got a long way for it to get really fucking interesting. See, the thing is, I think NVIDIA is going to go up during earnings. What's up, Jim? You're short, Akib? It is looking very shorty. Oh, you're on the ES, yeah. I'm just looking. My Quant Tower was like delayed. I don't know what the fuck was going on with that. It wasn't like delayed, but it tells you the milliseconds up top. And it definitely wasn't it wasn't what I would want. It was red. Damn, they fucking unloading this thing. Dude, I hate taking fucking trades at 9-10. Taking trades at 9-10 is the worst. Is this fucking account even good? I'm so used to my I'm just looking at something. Idiot one. I'm gonna let this fucking rip. I'm just looking. I'm up 9:30 and halfway earned about that because of the earnings tonight and no movement overnight. Yo, what are you using to holy shit, came right back. Yo, what up, Fred? Yo, what up, Dell? My gut tells me they're gonna sell the news for NW, but then again, yeah, I mean, listen, I mean, that was a good short. A kib. Is it a kib or a keeb? I want to get it right. A kib or a keeb? I try to get all the a keeb. Okay, okay. I appreciate it. I always want to get everybody's name right. I am set up for 9:30 and halfway. Yeah. Okay. Some people only, I'm kind of just waiting this out. I am waiting this one out. I would think they run it into earnings. And then whatever Nvidia does. I don't know exactly. Actually, I think the last two earnings, Nvidia went and then like literally just came back and did almost nothing. I think all the option buyers got hosed, if I remember correctly. Yeah, I think if you were a buyer of options on Nvidia's last two or maybe even three earnings, uh, you got smoked. Oh no. Dude, it's saying my clock. It's saying my I just had to resync my clock on my I just had to resync my clock. Were you one of those option buyers? No, no. I sold options, I think like 2 or 3 times ago, about to create a 4-hour inversion to the downside. Dude, I think everything's invalidated due to Nvidia, to be 100% honest. I am going to slam Nvidia earnings today, though. Trump yesterday was talking about America being on the AI powerhouse. If you think about it, Nvidia has been like sold out as much as they could produce. They're selling. I have a rebuild Apex account. Yeah, I'm at 5 Apex accounts, 2 Fidias accounts, one Elite account. I'm going to use a TPT account. I'm going to use a TPT Pro account. Dude, I'm backing the truck up for this thing. I don't care which way it goes. I got some freaky pasta for you. I don't care which way it goes. I just need it to go 50, maybe 100 points in whatever direction. So I just get it. And then once I got it, that's it. Can I borrow your truck? Dude, I just find that in these one-off events, you're able to either pass or bring accounts back from the dead. And that's kind of what I use these one-off events for. CPI, like big earnings. So I'm probably going to do 5 cons, 17 points, but it always slips. So like I'll get in and I might get 45 points. I never just get like where my sell is. It always goes past. So we'll see what happens. I think we're at least moving around now. I mean, this is pre-market and we're moving. I left my Ninja Trader. I left the auto Ninja Trader on my other channel live all night. One guy messages me at like 3 in the morning being like, yo, man, what are you doing with this? Or like he started asking questions. I was like, bro, like I'm definitely not around. It actually said I wasn't around. PG, dude. Come on. I think we're going to get some new lows and then they're going to bring it back up. Just kind of sucks. I'm used to oh, what is it? Oh, thanks. Ooh. Dude, not gonna lie, these New Jersey bagels, bro. Dude, I had a New Jersey bagel yesterday. Bro, the shit was like just bread. It was like so weird. It was like eating a loaf of bread. This one's a little bit better. But it was so weird. I was like, what the fuck? What is this? This looks like it wants another leg down. Yo, dude, you're in New York City? I'm out on Long Island. Where in the city are you? Oh, you're in Queens. Wait, let me guess. I'm going to guess. You're in Astoria. I'm guessing Astoria or no, I'm going to go Astoria. Am I close? Ow, dude. I grew up in Franklin Square, bro. Yeah. I grew up like next town over. My pizzeria that I loved going to was the original Umberto's. The real Umberto's. There's only one Umberto's. You guys just wanted to dump today? Dude, it's right on Jericho Turnpike. It's right on Jericho Turnpike. It's Umberto's. Yeah. And then you got yeah, it's north of Sewanaka up to Jericho. And it's like right there. Do I need a water with this bagel though? Sean, it's not looking very, let's go to the upside. Actually, this was a great freaking retest at 87. If you took this retest, I mean, that was awesome. Hold on, I just gotta get water real fast before I choke on the stream. I can't choke on the stream. Oh. All right. Bro, if Akib, if you go, you got to get Sicilian pizza only. That's where it's at. Sicilian pizza. I don't know what they put in it, but it's freaking amazing. Yo, I gotta lock the door, bro. What's up, Black Beauty? End of the road? I mean, that would have been a nice retest right there. My biggest problem is we're gonna open in freaking 6 minutes. The only thing I'll say is like, look, we dumped. You kind of bear flagged. You dumped. You dumped. It's starting to lose the dump, and now I think it's going to come back just a little bit. Dude, you ever have they call it grandpa's. It's a grandma slice, so it's a thin little Sicilian, but instead it's a marinara sauce, they use alavaca sauce. This is looking, dude, I'm telling you, that's a Brooklyn pizza here in Jersey. Dude, I like the alavaca sauce on the grandma pie. I think it makes the I don't know, it's just good. Heavy on the garlic. I hope we do something at the open. Let me just make sure this shit's working, actually. I didn't even test it out today. Dude, it's not even fucking working. Why is it not copy trading over? Dude, what the fuck's going on? What the absolute fuck is going on? My shit's not working. There we go. There we go. Holy shit. Dude, I've been so pissed because I've been like, today's the day. It smashes. Yes, Slim Pie is square. Gotta lock the door, man. Yo, what up, Tack? I could see us chopping around, and then I bet you they run it into close, maybe. I don't think we're going to be down too much. Dude, we got 2 minutes, minute and a half. Things are about to get freaking crazy up in here. Yo, I was just almost on the wrong fucking, I'm almost on the wrong chart. Oh my God. Today's a disaster for me. Today has been just a disaster. I think they're going to end up ripping it. I can't see the chat for 2 sec for. I'm going to try playing the momentum at open, depending on which way we go. See what happens. Holy shit. Hold on. Oh, baby. Oh! I took it off. I got 150, 150, 150, 150. All right. I got a couple shekels today. I got a couple shekels right there. I'm not pushing it. I'm just telling you, I'm not fucking pushing it. I made the mistake on Monday when I was up 150 and a bunch of accounts to fucking do some stupid shit. And I'm not. So 150, 150, 150. This one's over for payout again. Like I'm over the buffer, so I'm not dicking around with that thing. I like green. I like them greens. I got to switch now to my Apex. Is this the bottom? Is this the bottom? I'm just switching my what the fuck happened? Bro, they're not enabling my shit. Ah, there we are. Dude. Yo, I'm gonna say, Knob, your boys down at the shore need some lessons on making a bagel and getting some better cream cheese up in here. Cream cheese tastes like those little fucking packets that you get in elementary school. Degen mode bad. I am just letting it. I just played the open. I smashed. I'm kind of happy with where I'm at, and we're gonna see what happens here. I would like to see them push it out of this thing personally. They bounce it. This is they bounced it off of a pivot point. Yo, it does. It tastes like Alabama bagels, bro. I've had 2 bagels down here, and both times I'm like, dude, I don't know what that just was. I don't know what that was. Oh man. They're gonna push on out. I might take this. Yeah. Oh my god, you're knocking on the door now? Bro. What? It's so good. Thank you very much. No, motherfucker. I just stepped on my fucking coffee. Fuck, man. Dude, why? Yo, like, why do you have to knock on the fucking door? Like, the door's shut for a fucking reason. Door's shut for a reason, right? I mean, why would I shut the door and lock it? Who knows? It's like fucking, it's a mystery. It's such a mystery why I would lock that thing. Yo, south of Trenton. Yo, Knob, you go to Halo Farms? Bro, Halo Farms is legit. I think it could push out of here. Super sloppy. Dude, this is NVIDIA earnings are coming up later on today, and they don't know what the fuck. Dude, that's why I'm so glad I banged the open. Because, bro, at least if we're in for a shit day, I can just be like, well, I hammered the open. Yo, Sean, there might be something to that flash retest and then go through, by the way. Just an FYI. This is not looking like it wants to go up. I could just tell you that. This does not look like it wants to go up, but yeah, Halo Farms is legit. It's real legit. I tell everybody about that place. I'm like, bro, it's in the middle of like the place where you actually buy the shit is in like an area. There's no fucking farm though. And that's just a nice way to put it. There's no farm there. Like, you know what I'm saying, dude? There's no farm. Like, there's not even a lick of farm around. I don't even know where the farm is. It's got to be somewhere remotely close. Yeah, but it's kind of like it's in an urban area, but yet it's a farm. It is good though, and it's cheap. Come on. That's looking good for Maria. We swept down, came back up. You needed to push over. You needed to get over this. We get over 67, we might be cruising. I mean, this isn't. I'm not taking this. This isn't the price action where I'm like, yo, this is the setup I'm looking for. You know, this isn't the yo, I look for the setup where we go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, A, B, B, A, B, A, select start. Just let it move around. It can't get above here. It just can't get above. Feels like it's going to spill over. I'm strictly taking this because it just can't get over this level. I don't know how long I'm holding this for. I probably should have taken $45. Not gonna lie. I'm hoping we get one big candle down though. Like one candle down to 25. That would make my fucking day. Just a big old fucking puker. Give me a puker. Yo, I need an amber turd right now. A big old dump. Give me the turd. Come on, get below 35 and just fucking let that beast go like it's Johnny's bed. Let's go. Come on. Spill it. Yo, what up, Maximilian? I'm gonna bracket trade the news. Oh, here we go. Do it. Do it. Fucking do it. Fucking give me some points. Oh, I'm out. I'm out. Fuck that. It just flashed down. I got 110 and at the commissions and whatnot. Listen, this might keep going down. This might keep going down, but anytime it flashes and comes back up, I get nervous as shit. Motherfucker. Well, if you took the short, you fucking made money. We got an amber turd on that one. Dude, that was like a 30-point dump. Past another bull nuts. I'm actually going to shut my quant tower down to save bandwidth because I don't fucking need that up. I don't need this up either right now. Oh, dude, you just fucking got me. Dude, I almost jumped to the fucking order page, bro. I thought there was 90% off right now. Yo, what up, Lee? What time is the release? Yo, late tonight. Oh, NVIDIA. NVIDIA comes out, I think. Somebody said 420. 420. But I'm going to have my orders in before that and just be moving them around. Dude, I don't play the RTY, man. Yeah, they say 420, but who fucking like, you know, like it might come out 2 minutes early and you want to have your orders in. Whew. Oh my god, you know what? Actually, oh, I didn't. It should be done. Let me just look real fast. I just want to make sure my quant tower, all my orders are done. I didn't look, and that's how I blew accounts. Let me just make sure my this thing's just unloading. An absolute unloading. I'm just looking to see. Dude, there's a lot of fucking earnings today. There's a bunch of earnings today. This shit's gonna go fucking bananas. Fred, the phone trader this morning, bro. I don't know how you guys trade on the fucking phone, bro. I don't know how you guys trade on the phone. All right. Now we're getting into interesting territory here. Dude, that Tradeivate fucking app is awful.
Order filled. Order filled.
That might be the worst fucking app I've ever seen.
Order filled.
Oh. Anyone taking this 500 bounce? I didn't realize I was copy trading all these fucking accounts, to be honest with you. I gotta dude, this might fucking run all the way up. Oh, are you kidding? Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. You're not gonna get me right there. No, you're a piece of shit. I'm just getting out. You're a piece of shit. I can't believe you pumped it and didn't get me. I can't believe you didn't fucking get it. So stupid. Oh! Bro, what the fuck was that? Dude, they just dropped it 23 points in a half a second. Bro, I lucky I got out. What the fuck was that? Trump sneeze? Bro, I have no idea what just happened there. That was a Trump fart. Bro. I have no fucking idea what that was. Yo. Yo, Knob, I feel you. I mean, we're down so much. Honestly, like look at the higher time frames, right? You kind of want to like retest at least some of the, I would want to retest some of the higher zones, like 531 or something like that to short it. I would want to test, not I don't know if I could short. I don't know if I could short here. I mean, we're down. We just dropped a bunch. I mean, we are. I mean, I don't know what's causing the sell off really, but the fact that we retested and swept again, and now we're back over 500. I mean, maybe this holds 500 and we work ourselves back up, but I'm just kind of watching. I'm breathing and relaxing right now. I can't short it here personally. It's not. It's not a short. It's not a short position for me. Got a bunch of people doing YOLOs today on. Yo, the NVIDIA YOLO train's going to be heavy. About two-thirds of us are YOLOing NVIDIA. Who the fuck's calling me? No idea who you are. Yeah. I'm trying to unfuck some accounts for sure. Yeah, me too. I'm with you. I am definitely looking to get some accounts up. Yeah. I'm in that boat. Dude, they're ripping this shit. Dude, kids just fucking yelling, man. All the kids. Yeah, I save them. I save a lot of them. I try to at least. Do you fucking short this right here? We've yet to be able to go over this line, by the way. We are riding this fucking line all the way down. The one time I short it, though, we'll blow right through it. Yo, retest of 26. I might take this north. Retest of 26 would be my spot. A new generation of NVIDIA bag holders. Damn, man. My entry was like 3 points off. I really wanted it at 26. I got it at 29 and a half. How did that happen? I got to stop marketing in. Look at that. Should have shorted it right when I said that. Look, right at this fucking line. I know if I short that though, this doesn't happen. I short this, we go fucking all the way up here. I'm only looking for a couple bucks here. Come on, baby. Come on. Give me a couple bucks. Give me a couple bucks, baby. Push it. Come on. That's it. I'm looking for 57 bucks in a bunch of accounts. Bro, I'm done. I'm done. I've lost so many 3 points, 2 point. It all adds up. It all adds up, man. I'm tired of these shit fills. Dude, I'm gonna donk these NVIDIA earnings. It was down 467. It only took 2 trades all night, which is not like it. It took 2 trades and one of them didn't take any trades. So it was actually like a weird fucking night. I can't, you know, for one of them to not take any trades, something, you had a really weird night. Normally, they each take 3 to 7 trades, 3 to 5 trades. So for one to take 2 trades and the other to take 0, it's definitely a weird night. And the only reason I lost was I got top ticked. It was short, or it was, I forget which way, but I literally was I got ticked. I had my stop. I forgot to change my stop to nighttime settings instead of daytime, and it just wasn't big enough. At night, you got to leave a little bit more space. If I left a little bit more space, I would have profited. But it is what it is. That I'm still testing, but I like what I've seen so far. Top dicked. Yep. Ticked in the dick. Dude. I mean, I don't want to sit here and fuck any accounts up, so I'm just kind of chilling. I'm up in a bunch of funded, so I don't feel like I need to. I think the whole market is waiting on NVIDIA. Did I miss the morning entry? I played the morning. I hit in one Fidias account for 100 and something bucks. I hit in 3 elite accounts for $137. I hit in these 2 TPT Pro accounts for 150. Oh, on the aquatic race? I didn't even open that up yet. Here. Duck race. Duck race. Yo, it's so weird because when I'm here, I really only have 2 monitors, so it's kind of weird. Yeah, Stockage. I sent it to you in the Discord to load all that stuff up. Did you load it all up? Were you able to load it, or? Let's see if I can get this thing going. I also maxed out 2 my funded future evals today. At the 50% marker. Yo, it ran last night. Well, I'm just curious. I don't know what your settings were, but what did it do? I'm keeping this fucking tight. What did it do?
Order filled.
Yeah, I think your settings are off. My funded futures 50% consistency rule. It was trading consistently all night, then something's off, dude. By the way, you should be using a sim account Stock Itch. You should be using the Ninja Trader sim account. Yeah, you know that, right? Bro, this thing's gonna break down. I'm out. This thing's gonna fucking get torched. They gotta bring it down to at least 14 here.
Order filled.
Let's see. Okay, I just want to make sure you're using the sim account. You got to show me, you got to take a picture. You change your TP to 30 and 20. You got to take a picture of your settings and put it in the Discord. Let me look at it. Oh, we're breaking out? Fucking. Yeah. If you post it in Discord, I'll take a look at it right now. Let me see what you're working with. Dude, was that the ultimate fake out or what? Dude, I'm gonna need some serious fucking. Let me look. It wouldn't let you put Cove Trader in? What? Dude, I see your comments. You wrote, I can't comment. I see your comments. It says I can't comment. That range is fucking insane. Dude, this thing's crazy. Are we gonna finally go? Go! Please. I just locked myself out of my funded. It's probably a good idea, Maria. It's that type of day. I would not be copy trading in a day like today. It's definitely a rough day. You're gonna lose it? Yeah. They say if you don't use it, you lose it. Oh, you're only down 200? That's not terrible. But yeah, don't do anything. But yeah, only down 200 is not bad. Yo, TJ, if you're in the chat, I'll get you at lunch. I can't bring it up on the computer right now. Obviously, it's all this shit's up. But yeah, I got you. There we go. Fucking worked out. Yeah. At lunch, when I jump off the stream, I'll handle all the. I got you. I got someone else. When I'm away on vacation, man, I'm like, I definitely fucking didn't look. It's my bad. I got such an awful entry too. Yeah, I mean, I like to switch to evals when I don't like the price action. It keeps me from blowing funded accounts. You know, right? Like right now, I switched to an account that's not doing good already. So, like I'm not risking anything major right now. That's how I. That's how I kind of like. I don't know, manage risk, I guess. Like when I'm not loving the price action, I just use accounts that are like down, and things like that to kind of not use my good accounts to not blow anything that's worth it and just kind of chill out. You know, you don't want to blow something because like this isn't clean price action right now. It's very choppy. And it's not even major moves. Like it's just look a lot of up, down, up, down, up, down. Like I hate when we zebra print. It's just, I want to see flows. All right, I'll look right now. All right. I do calculate on bar close. And you see how you have calculate on price change? I have on bar close. Okay. Also, see how you have your data is at 8. See how you're at 8.4? See how your Ninja Renko, the bars are at 8.4? I don't use 8.4. I'm using anywhere between 12.1 and 18.1. But that's the part that I am playing with. So there's a couple variables. Yeah. Those are the defaults. The defaults. Yeah. So you got to right click and click. You got to right click on the chart and click on data series, and that's how you change it. Yo, what up, Rich? Overtraded and fell 50K. 55 trades. Rich, chill out in here for a little bit. Maybe we can help you out. Yeah. So there's three main things that change if you're profitable or not. One, stop loss, take profit, depending on how big your bars are. And the other thing is what bar you're going off of. Are you going off of 12.1, 12.2, 18.1, 18.2? I haven't dialed it in myself, but ES, I found I think it was like 18.1 was pretty decent. And I think I was like at 25, 20 or 38. I'll show you. So I used this the other day. Stop loss was 35, TP was 25 on bar close, and I was at 18.1. Yo, what up, Brandon? Piano. Since I took off my quant, I'll load up Ninja Trader with you, dude, and I'll just show you. You got to remember though, if you're in a super choppy environment, stock itch, you got to realize that it's probably not going to do well. Just like a lot of trading strategies, like if you're just going up, down, it's probably not going to do well. Profits and smaller bars. That's why each environment you kind of need different settings for. You know what I'm saying? I'm also playing with the idea of doing YM. I need to get to my house where I can really test this shit out, to be completely honest with you. No, you can't. But like if you see like a day like today, like it's just really choppy right now, I probably say, okay, like I'm probably not gonna do this. Or you widen it. There's different things you could do. All right, so I just launched it. We'll see what happens. I did 18-1. I did the exact thing I sent you. What up, Waldo? Yeah, well, this has user. You have to have user feel for it. Just like, there's nothing where you just hit the button. Also different trading environments net differently. Like nighttime versus daytime are two different things. But yeah. Yeah, I mean, gold versus ES, you're gonna have different settings also. BK is using it. He's doing well with it. It's all a feel. It's all. Are we gonna rip this? It's all a feel, man. Just like the market. But finally gave that green signal. Moved up. Okay. You're having a good day then, Harris. I like that we swept again, but I did not take it. Probably should have, but what the fuck? I don't know anything about that. I've never played around with whatever that is. I never touched it. Listen, it's there for you to manipulate however you want. If you think you got something, test it out. Test it out and let it happen. Yeah, I don't exactly even know what that does. Dude. See, it was just fucking sloppy, so I didn't really take it. Oh, I fucking missed that too. So I played this kind of shitty. I should have held where I got in. I got in here. I probably should have held that. I like the flag. It broke out of the flag. It is what it is. I'm okay not holding it, I guess, at least knowing that I know that that's the trade. You made money on it and it is what it is, but I just got to start holding some of these fucking things. Stockage. We talk about it at Voice at night. If you want, yeah, Stockage. I would say jump in Discord at night. That's your best bet. Jump in Discord at night. Jump on Voice, and you can hear us all talk about it. Yeah, that's probably the best bet. What's up, Marie? Yeah. Oh my god, so stupid of me. I mean, it wasn't a blatant, but I thought the entry was right here. I mean, I bought it, but fuck, man. Whew, wish I held on. Usually, like 8:30, people are on. I would say that's an about time. 8:30. That fucking sucks. That fucking sucks balls, man. Oh, I'm just trying to think. I'd probably take that if I'm at my house. I probably stare at it enough. Yeah. I mean, NQ is going all the way up there. I mean, we just bounced 100 points. I feel like it. I mean, I made money on it, but I feel like a fucking idiot for not grabbing it and holding it. Yeah, I did too. I was, the play was get in right here, right in the 530s. I got in. I just didn't hold. I got in and I got out. I got like, I don't even know what I got, 15 points. Just freaking, just not holding. Just not holding. Yeah, you know what it is? I just fucking didn't love how choppy it was, but I just should say, like, fuck, like, so how I trade the open, I just follow my rules. Like, whatever it looks like, I don't even give a shit. Like, I have certain rules and I follow them. I should do the same shit here. Like, I took this because I followed my rules. And I think I just scalped it real quick. And then when we swept these lows and came back through, I should have fucking jumped back in and just followed my rules. My stop would have been, 499, and I should just follow my fucking rules. Yeah, I mean, my stop would have been down here. I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. Um, I wouldn't have gotten stopped, but fuck, man. Crazy. I think the bias is going to be up just because of NVIDIA earnings. We did trade all the way back into this fucking right here. Below 85, I would take a shot short. It won't let me in the main chat on Discord. Hold on one second. Let me hold on one second. Dude, click on this link. Click on that link. Let me know what that does. Does that let you in? Like, I'm going to be honest with you, Discord's a great place to talk trading at night when everybody's not trading. Because when everyone's trading, they're looking at the charts, they're doing things. Like at night when it's just kind of like calm, everyone shoots the shit about a lot of different things. And it's definitely worth listening to. Yeah, I thought you were in already also, TJ. Yo, later, Knob. Yo, it's windy as shit over here. It's cool out and windy today. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how it is up there, but definitely windy today. Windy and a couple degrees cooler than it was. I think it's like 4 degrees cooler and more windy. Windy! But yeah, let me get this out. There we go. Dude, I mean, I might just take this. I think we just might grind all the way up. Should be the ultimate FOMO fucking trade. This is just an eval. This is, you know what's funny is last night I told myself that if we get a dip in the morning, I'm going to buy and just hold for NVIDIA earnings. I love how my plan just goes out the fucking window. All right, you got in? All right. Oh, all right. Well, you're in now. That's all that matters. We played poker last night. There was a bunch of people playing poker at one point. There was probably like 10, 12 people on voice also. I'm waiting to see that just grind up all day into NVIDIA earnings. Dude, it sucks. I couldn't talk on the thing because I was at the kitchen table. I hate that. Like, I can't turn the volume on either because I never know what you guys are going to say. So I'm like, I can't have the volume on. That was the only thing that sucked. No volume, and I wasn't able to talk. And dude, completely fucking drop the ball here. Wow. There you go, TJ. So, okay, so it's kind of like how 98% white males like women with flat booties. I don't even know what that's about. Yeah, shooting the shit at night is definitely beneficial. You definitely learn. You pick up little things other people do. I'm looking for them to just hold this. Dude, that's one massive inversion on the 15. Oh, dude, I didn't hear that. I think this is going to bring it up to equal highs here. Stay back. My night. Yo, I don't understand how we're going up. Oh, I might just exit this shit. I made $30. I exited that. That was poor execution. All right, let me flip. What do we got here, anyways? You got London highs at 615. Yo, what do you think? We run some highs here. Previous day high. Dude, I'd want to see us run some Asia highs and then come back. That'd be fucking baller. Dude, I always get my gym tan laundry. Gym tan laundry, baby. I gotta do laundry today. We have laundry at the Airbnb, so I don't have to go out anywhere, but definitely no gym. I just been going for jogs or walks in the morning, which is weird because I haven't been to the gym all week. Just looking. Today's earnings are going to set everything up going forward. Just remember that. Whatever it is, Nvidia earnings are going to push up or down is where the market's going to go, because it's going to tell you about AI. It's going to tell you about everything. It's going to tell you the AI demand. It's going to tell you all types of shit. So this earnings is probably the most important out of all of them. Not only that, you got CrowdStrike today. You have CrowdStrike. I think you have Snowflake, CrowdStrike, and Nvidia. What is everyone thinking, bullish or bearish? So I'm going to bracket trade it, TJ, so it doesn't matter as long as it goes. I have a feeling that it's bullish out of the gate, and then we're going to come back down. Out of the gate, it's going to be bullish because the numbers are probably going to be big. So you're going to get a big pop. You're going to get an algo pop. It's going to be amazing. And then you're going to get a pullback, I bet. That's what I think we're going to get. I think all the option buyers are going to get hosed. That's what I think is going to happen. What the fuck is this? Damn, BK, it's all good. Yo, how about a cliff? I don't know if we're going to get a cliff. I would say we're going to run Asia highs, which is 630, and then I'd look for a short after that. I want to see it over 630. I can't believe I didn't fucking play this. Dude, I might take accounts out. I'm going to take fucking accounts out, and every day I am going to play. I'm just going to play my thing no matter what it looks like. If it's fucking choppy, if it's not choppy, if there's earnings, if there's no earnings, and just that's it. Too many times I'm like, oh, it's kind of choppy, I'm not going to take it. And then this happens. If I just stick to my fucking strategy, no matter what it looks like, I would be fine. $50 lot, $50 lot, $50 lot. I'll probably end up playing. Dude, I'm trying to think what I want to get. what account I want to use. Yeah, Sean, I'm at that point that I'm like, yo, I'm not gonna do this anymore. Like too many times. Like I should have grabbed, I don't know, even if I grabbed 10 micros, like at 30, like I should have sold some out at 62, 72, and 85. Like if the average is 40 points, it's $800. I'm out. That they are the most value CO on the planet. Oh yeah, yeah, the company on the planet. Yeah. Uh, dude, they're gonna break. This is gonna go up. I think they're gonna tag Asia highs here. Why? I don't know. Like, why'd you see pre-market short? I didn't see that coming. What would have got you in here? That that's not something I would have taken. I can't even be like, oh, I would have taken that. I would never have taken that. I was in here. This is something I would have taken, and I did. Oh, done with what? Oh, I'm done with not just fucking taking. Like, so obviously I have a strategy, but every time, like, I have a morning strategy. I got other things, but like, sometimes I adjust based on the candles. So, like, I adjusted today because it was super choppy today. Like, you had this shit, and then it was just so the bottom was super sloppy. It wasn't what I normally like. I normally like to come down and we come back up. This was like down, up, sweep these lows again. It just wasn't really what I like, but I should just say, hey, I'm re-entering here. That's a part of the play above the box. What box? What box are we talking about, Sean? Is this something new? Above the box? You weren't above Asia lows though. What were you above? Oh, you were you above previous day highs? Yeah, you were above previous day highs. Yeah. It's the previous day high box, right? I mean, we're getting back up here. Dude, you know what I want right now? I just want some freaking some drinks. Go to the beach. Beach is fucking brutal today though. It's windy and a little cool out. AD just hit it for a little small scalp. Done for the day. Dude, you're going to be sleeping when NVIDIA earnings come out. Dude, it's kind of rough. It's actually rough. Super rough. Dude. This looks like it's running out of juice. I'll tell you that much. It looks like we're definitely running out of juice. I don't know if you're going to get a reversal, but you're probably going to get a little pullback. Really, we can't take fucking AD. I would trade whatever makes you comfortable, and as you make successful trades, you scale up. That's what I would do. Yeah, I think it is getting tired. I think it's starting to hit that point of maybe we need like a 20-point pullback. Come on. Yeah, Darren, I'm with you. I would just focus on successful trades. And then after you make a couple trades, you're profitable day after day after day. Oh, dude, you're up 225 already, dude. You made it sound like you're up $30. Bro, that's 10 trading days, and you basically passed 10, 12 trading days. You're fine, dude. You made it sound like you're up 30, you're making $30 a day. Yo, I'm bringing the rest of this to break even, by the way. Woo! Baby! Fucking dump this. I got one left. One left, baby. Yo, that was a good fucking trade. Come on. That was a good trade, boys and girls. I basically took it off of I saw it, we had a small inversion here, and then we had another one. And I basically took it off of that. And then we got underneath we're back underneath the imbalance at 06, and it just kind of looked weak. Yeah. That was a nice little setup. A little bang bang action. One, two. Needed that. Yeah, this drawdown was down to like $700 before. So now just getting it back up. Just going to sit and wait for something good to happen. I think the trend is still up, though. I don't think that's going to be the top. I think we're going to take out Asia highs. Asia highs. I think it's six. What is it at? 629 are Asia highs. You had equal highs right here. I think we're going to blow through it and then come back. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Yeah, well, now it's coming. I think it's going to come back. I think that was just, they call them, what do they call them? Manipulation candles. Like you're consolidating, you get a manipulation candle, and now you go back up. It's just, it needed a little reset. It needed to come down a little bit. That's all. Just needed to come down a little bit. Now I just wait. I want to see us take Asia highs, and then I'd be looking for an actual like reversal short. The trend, yo, let the trend be your friend. Buy on green, sell on red. Isn't that what they tell you? Oh man. Just don't lose your accounts in the chop. Let it move. See, it's starting to really slow. I bet you the ATR is freaking super low right now. Holy shit. Come on. Buy on green, sell on red. I would assume we're going to take out Asia highs at some point. That's probably where we're heading to. Not saying you can't come back down to like 65, but I'm just saying I think you're going to take out Asia highs at some point. We're just getting too close to not take it out. You know what I'm saying? It's just. Oh, I'm starting to. ATR is average. Was it actual true range? Average true range? I forget what it actually. I know what it is. It's how big the actual candles are at the time. My new strat has been paying. I back test the hell out of it on the weekend. First test of a 1 minute fair value gap when the second candle has a strong close. So like this first test and then up, I guess this is a fair value gap. You tested it and then it came back and closed. Yeah, average true range. I mean, a lot of people use it for buying dips and shit like that. So, like, say the range is, I don't know, 10, right? And the candle drops 14 points, I guess it overshoots, so they think it's going to bounce back. I don't know. I've never used it. I've actually never used it. Keith used to use it. How much is the TPT reset? Oh, it's $100, AD. I think resets are $100 on TPT. What was I going to say? Keith would buy on the 15-minute chart. Say the average true range was 20. If it went up like 30 points, he would short it. And then like every increment. So say like it overshot it. So average true range is 20 points. It goes up 30 points. He shorts it. And then every 20 points it goes up, he like keeps shorting it. Yeah, I've never used it really. Like I know what it is, but like I'm not using it. I might talk about it when things go fucking nutty, and I'm like, yo, fucking market's all over the place. The ATR is probably 25, but I'm not actually using it. Yeah. So if I don't pass the TPT account, it's automatic going to get reset, right? Uh they don't reset it. If you're still trading it, they rebill you. If you have failed it, they will rebill you and reset it back to call it 50,000 even. So if the rebill is coming up in like 5 days and you're at 50,300 bucks, I would hit the fucking gas pedal and see if you can get it up. And if you're at like 49,000, I don't want to rebuild that one. So I will hit the gas pedal to see if I can get that up real. And unless that account is over 51,000, 52,000, like I'm pushing that thing. Yeah, I'm pushing that thing. Yeah. Gotta tell her to spit on that thing. But yeah, man, I don't let them rebuild when the accounts are down because it's pointless.
Order filled.
This feels like it has a date with Asia highs right here. Come on. What is that? Just take them out. Take 28 out. Take 28 out and then we can party. What's up, Josh? Ah, so you got 2 weeks. So, and you're up 750. Yo, within the next 3 days, I would try to get that up a little bit. And if you don't have it up by a week from now, I would start going heavier. That's how I would go about it. Yo, Josh, are you writing NVIDIA puts by any chance?
Order filled.
Come on, man. Oh, it's getting chop-tastic up here. See, this is like what we had yesterday. All this chop and just not going anywhere. This is where you can really blow fucking accounts. You know, we've been sitting in this for almost 45 minutes of going nowhere. I didn't buy anything. I don't think I bought anything. Dude, now you got me fucking worried. Did I buy something? Dude, I don't see where I bought anything. Oh, man, you guys are fucking bugging me out here. I'm looking at accounts. I don't know. I don't see them. The only thing that makes noise is my funded futures, and I'm already maxed out on my accounts. They're not, unless it just sold. I don't think so. Yo, what do you think? We get the rejection here? The old rejection? Or are they going to finally scoop it up and take out Asia highs? Sometimes they're missed messages. Yo, what up, Emil? What's cracking? That's probably the longest barcode I've seen. Yeah, it could be the auto trader going on Ninja. Order filled. Order filled. I try to disable all sounds, to be honest with you, because otherwise you guys all hear a sound and everyone's like, yo, is that me? Is that me? Is it me? So most of the time I disable them. This would look really good going over 628. Once over 628, we could talk about possibly shorting. Come on. It's going to be hit at some point, stock itch. I almost want to take a short because they can't stay over it. Disable smells. Dude, what the fuck? Dude, I'm getting text messages out the ass. Out the ass. The fuck? Oh, Key. My brother's playing Key Coin, Key Cat, whatever the fuck Key Cat is. I'm out on Key Cat. Key Cat, Key Cat. I'm just looking at this shit. Oh, yeah. You would think that with NVIDIA earnings, we're going to run into close, but who the fuck knows? I just looked. NVIDIA's chart is fucking up there. It's not like we're down. Like, dude, NVIDIA's chart is fucking up there. I wonder if it shoots for 200. Give it 200 tap. Dude, I almost just shorted this and I would have stopped out at 610, but price action is rough. Jeez. Come on. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah. I would be inclined to take a long at 83. I'll put my order in at 80. Yo, I mean, they're making the chips. Everything's about chips right now, man. Everything is chips. Chips. AI. You're in the AI bubble, dude. You know, everything is fucking AI. Just like everything, the bubble will pop. I don't know when the bubble will pop, but you probably need a bad earnings by Nvidia or something like that. That's probably what I would think is you need bad earnings. I'll tell you what, they're giving 15% of their revenue to the US. That's going to be interesting on the conference call or their guidance. I don't know what the guidance is going to be unless they're raising prices on the chips. I don't know. It's going to be interesting. But yeah, everything is about these fucking chips, man. It's so crazy. Chips, AI, you know, I don't know. I don't eventually it's going to hit a peak, obviously. I'm not playing NVIDIA. I just looked at it and I was looking at 165s. I'm not touching it, man. I was going to. I'm not. It's just NVIDIA's up already. If we weren't running into close, I'd probably say I'd play it, but the fact that we've been running, it's got some air under it. I don't want to get caught and it goes down to like 150 and now I own NVIDIA. Like, if we were flat or even down a little bit over the last month, I would take a shot at it because we're already down a little bit, but I'm not doing it where we're at. Dude, this thing's rough, man. It's like watching paint dry. Yo, Mo bro. My morning was going pretty good. I'm up in a bunch of funded accounts. Nothing crazy. I missed this trade. I was in and got out early. I don't know. Now I'm just kind of hanging. I'm also up in four other funded accounts that I don't have on the screen. I'm up like 150 on them. So fundeds are going pretty good. Fundeds are definitely up. Now just, waiting to take out Asia highs for a possible short would be nice, or maybe a pullback to the 200 and then we bounce. I mean, there's premium, but like you could sell 10% out of the money, but if it drops, it's going to dump. Yeah, I'm just being patient. I'm trying to be. I'm definitely trying to be. Needs to break out of this flag to the upside and take out Asia is what it really needs to do. Come on, baby. Give us some action. Pump it over Asia. Come on. I'm just waiting. I'm patiently waiting here. I don't have to go to my funded futures. I maxed out 2 my funded future accounts today, which is nice. Today's the day to YOLO. Oh, by the way, NVIDIA earnings are today. NVIDIA, if you guys don't know, NVIDIA earnings are after hours today. Somebody said 4:20 they're going to announce. I don't actually know the time of announcement, to be honest with you. But I'm going to have my order in probably from 402 or 401 on, and I'm just going to move my. There's a bunch of earnings actually after hours. Ooh, that might mess this up a little bit. Snow is after hours, and CrowdStrike. Informa. And so every time I hear snow. But yeah, I think NVIDIA, they said, was 420. So you're not going to be able to trade a My Funded Futures account for it, but you could trade pretty much anything else. Anything that you want, you could trade. Bro, is this thing going to finally fucking rip? I just got entered into a trading competition. I have no idea what the deal is, but I'm in. I'm in. I have no idea what it is, but I'm in. We'll see how that plays out. Dude, maybe if I put these on, we fucking run. Dude, I'll tell you what, staring at the screen with glasses is so much nicer. It like takes the so much nicer. Yo, as you look into the glasses, it says like, you know, P Hub and what up, Rayu? I feel like there's a target to Asia highs. You got Asia highs sitting here at 629. I feel like it's gotta touch that. It's gotta touch that. Price action is not great right now. But listen, you just wait. I mean, 99% of trading is waiting, so we're just waiting. What do you guys? You guys want a dad joke? You want another dad joke that I could possibly get canceled on? I forget the one I told yesterday. Asia highs look fucking awesome. I gotta find a good one. Bro, some of these are fucking wild. Oh. Yo, the chickpea and garbanzo bean, dude, that was hysterical, Monet. I don't know. I can't find a good one. Are we finally pushing up here? Dude, this is the ultimate fucking chop right here. Yesterday. Oh man, I can't say a long one. Dude. Some of these are just too much. Too much for the come on, push it. Give us the fucking push. Come on, baby. Get up. Did you do the number? I did not do the number game. I did not do it. Come on, dude. This fucking market is just bad. Yo, what up, Tyler? Bro. Yo, Tyler, Jesus. Fuck, man. I got 5 Apex accounts. I got an Elite Trader Funding account. I got 2 Fidelis accounts. I got a TPT account. What else do I got ready for this shit? You want to do the number game? Yeah, I don't know. I got like 8 accounts for this for NVIDIA. They're going to be either happy tiers or sad tiers. Oh, first I have to complain about the likes on the stream. I don't even know how many likes there are. Let me see. Let me complain about them. I don't know how he complains because I don't ever fucking watch him. But yo, there's 51 people, 37 likes. Let's up that shit. Let's smash it. Smash the like button and we'll do the number game. There we go. Smash the like button and we'll do the number game. I don't know. I don't complain about that stuff, but dude, this thing's just going back and fucking forth. Back and forth. Unfucking believable. All right, you want to rip numbers? Let's rip numbers. You ready? Hold on. Smash the like button and we'll do the number game. Dude, yeah, Tyler, probably. Dude, what's he do? I need 420 before I can do the I need 420 likes before I can do it. Tyler, I dropped the ball, bro. I dropped it. I made fucking 20 points and got out. I'm going to start loading up accounts and I'm just going to smash it on my setup at the bottom. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Tell him, AD. AD says it blows my mind that people don't press the like button. How hard is it? Super hard. Oh, I meant how hard is it to hit the like button? Oh, that's super easy. All right. You guys ready? Ready, set, go. Fuck, man. This is going to go super fast. Oh, jeez. I'm looking. Bro. Fucking, you know who won? AD won. Look, numbers 28. Numbers 28. AD smashed it. Yo, AD. You know what you win? You win straight to the ball sack, man. You go straight to the ball sack. You are straight to the ball sack race. My man. Yo, straight there. Finally, we're moving up. Holy shit. Stockage. Double check if I don't mind. I have AD. AD. Control. Only 2 people did 28. Anyways, AD and Bouchan. Those are the only 2 people that put 28 in. Yo, boom, AD. Yo, you put 28 in also? It didn't come. Is it grayed out? Sean, this isn't a game show. He can't vote you off. You got to beat him off. And he beat you for sure. Yo, Tyler, anytime we did a trading thing. Remember, you can't vote him off. You got to beat him off. Oh, man. Yo, it's so weird. Is on my that's because I have top chat on. I need to go to live chat. Yo, I promise. It was grayed out. Royal Farms chicken for some lunch. Do not see your. I'll check my email. Do I not see your duck also? You missed the number game. You did. AD went straight to the ball sack. We need some here, I'll even open this up. I don't see my duck. Oh my god, dude, just when they were pushing this thing. Is this a short now? I'm not touching this. Matt, I'm not touching this with your money and CT hitting the button. I'm chilling out. It's just going back and forth, dude. Like there's no trade setup. The only trade setup I see in this whole thing is it kind of looks like you're flagging right above Asia low. That's it. Here's the 15. You have a 15-minute inversion that's being held. You got Asia low that's holding up. You know, I'm not playing it either way. What's up, Killer Viper? I typed 28 earlier, but it looked above. If it's grayed out, YouTube blocked it. I can't do anything about that. What made you grab the shorts before market, Tyler? What, because it's sweet previous day low and then inverted on the way down? Boom, boom, boom. Dude, this fucking price action is brutal. Yo, Killer Viper, if you're new here, you got to subscribe to be able to get entered. Also, you got to be on the stream for at least, I think, 10 or 15 minutes. It's automated by Streamlabs to make sure you're a real person. A Judas swing. Dude, I'm going to have to get fucking... You swept London lows and high in pre-market. So you took out... Bro, am I a fucking moron here? You took out London highs and then London lows. Okay. I see that. And then what happens? Dude, maybe I should fucking look at this. I have no idea. Get off the one. What did you retest this inversion? This fair, I guess the retest of the fair value gap on the 5. Dude, everyone's gone until NVIDIA. Wasn't he a trader? Yo, Code, what's up, man? I haven't seen you around. How's your summer been? Dude, I'm going to bring this up on a fucking another screen also. Dude, I'm always up for learning something new. Dude, I'm going to need a fucking... Dude, I'm going to need to watch a fucking video on this. Yeah, I'm going to need to watch something. I just saw a picture and it doesn't look like that. So I'm going to have to watch a video. I normally don't trade pre-market, honestly. So to me, I wouldn't have grabbed pre-market anyways. But yeah, hit me up. Yeah, send it on Twitter. I'll take a peek. Tyler, I'm one of those guys that is open to learning anything. I love learning how everybody fucking trades. Because there's like 1,000 ways to trade, dude. I've seen simple shit that I'm like, yo, I knew a guy that was up. Bro, we were at like mid-year and he was up 300 and something $1,000 trading hiking candles when the fucking, I think it was when the 8 crosses the 34. And depending on the time of the day, he uses the 1, the 3, or the 5 minute. It was something so stupid like that. And he was up fucking, bro, he was up. He showed me it was a real account. We're not talking prop accounts here, like trading his own money. And it was like fucking June maybe. And he was up over 300K. And I was like, dude, but he was up. Like he would sometimes trade London Open. He was all over the place. Yeah. That's what I tell everybody. If it works for you, you should fucking keep doing it. Just because I don't do it doesn't mean, you know. All right. I got it. I'll watch it later on. Yeah, I'll watch it. Dude, the guy was a baller. He was also heavy into sports betting. He was a huge sports betting guy. And then he was from New Jersey, dude. He was another New Jersey guy. This shit's just collapsing. Yeah, heavy in futures and heavy sports betting. He fucking loved sports betting. Bro, he was a complete degen. He was probably sports betting thousands a night to hang at the bada bing. Wherever he lives, it was in New Jersey where they got hit with tornadoes in like 2022, 2023. His neighbor across the street, their house, a tornado came down and hit it, took out like 2 houses, and then sucked back up. What up, Charles? Yeah, he was up like 300 and something $1,000 of real money by like the halfway point of the year. I don't know what part of New Jersey that was that they got hit with the tornadoes, but yeah, his house was fine and his neighbor's house was fucking destroyed. Yo, 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 that works, bro. I draw fucking 18 circles, man. What's Yeah, I mean, everyone should have their own fucking thing. I'll be honest with you, if you don't have your own thing or didn't like back test it yourself, you're not going to believe in the numbers. And here's something. So I trade the open, right? My strategy has lost. If you just followed the strategy without trusting your gut, you have lost today, yesterday. You might have lost 3 days in a row, but I've back tested the strategy over so long that I know it hits at like 60% of the time, and the R to R is 1.5 to 1. So I just ride it over time. But because I trust my gut, I exited with profits today when I should have taken a loss because I felt it coming in the air of the night. But yeah, you know, you gotta be able to back test your strategy, forward test it, and then really believe in the numbers. And then, like my strategy hit 4 days in a row last week, and you would have thought it was awesome. But if you started it on Monday, you would take 3 straight losses and you would abandon it. You'd be like, oh, it lost 3 days in a row. Yo, I could feel it as soon as it hits me. I'm like, no, in slow mo. It was not. It was not that, Charles. It was not that. It was something I've been doing before I even created the back testing channel. Yeah, I back tested that. It went south pretty fast. I think it was good right away, and then it went south. Yo, here's a new Twitter giveaway. The link is in the description. If you wanted to join, we're going to give away 3 core accounts this week. Feel free to jump on board. Yeah, we're gonna do 3 core accounts. People have asked for the core accounts, so 3 people will win 1 each. I like to spread the love. I don't like one person winning. I like to spread my love among multiple people. I'll relook at it, Charles. I'll 1,000% relook at it. No. Spread it, baby. Yo, Garen, I need love. August has don't worry, Brandy. The volume's gonna come back in September. Yeah, volume's gonna come back in September. Yeah, if you didn't know, we have a back testing room in Discord that's just strictly for back tests of certain plays or things that you might look at. And if you put it in there and it's halfway simple, I will back test it for you using FX replay. And yeah, just throwing it out there. Boom, boom. The fuck? Dude, this thing's cranking. Fuck, man. Took a big hit last. Yo, what up, Steven? Yo, how does it backtest like that? If I could backtest like that, does it mean it could take trades going forward? I'm not sure what you mean, Marie, but here, I'll bring it on the screen if you guys want to see what it looks like. I'll show you. I'll show everybody mine if you show me yours. But yeah, here you go. I'll show you. I got to log in. Hold on. I'll show you my FX replay. So, like, here's holy fuck. What was that? Bro, what was that? Dude. So, here's something I started working on. So, basically, you can go back in time. It can go back in time. Winners, losers, max winners, max losers is 2. The difference on win rate on buy and sells, time of day, and then, trades. Yo, I don't know what that was. Honestly, it looks like a liquidity grab. Watch. It did that, and watch it come all the way back up. Dude, what was that? What the fuck was that? I mean, it was a 36-point flash candle. Dude, that was crazy. I'm just saying, watch it come all the way back up. I'm not risking much here. I'm just risking that it backfills. You got to think a lot of times they backfill this shit. So if they backfill it, that's all I'm looking to play. I'm not looking to play anything else. Just a quick backfill. How does it know what to test? You put the buys or sells in on the chart, Marie. You have to manually put the buy in and the sell. Like it's not automated. I could make a video of me doing it one day if you want to see it. I could do a quick video and post it. Yeah. I'll be honest with you, it opened my eyes about a couple different things that I was doing that was not good. I just donked a little bit right there. Little only traders content. Yeah, it tracks what you put in. I put the buys, I put my stop loss in, I just put my take profit in. Super easy to do. I'll just show you. Like, let me just do it. I'll set it up on this other screen real fast. I'll just show you. See, I just saw that as a scalp opportunity for a quick backfill. It might go back up to 04. So real quick, like say I'm just setting this up. Okay. Yo, this is working out pretty well. If you took this, that's a great ass scalp. Look at that. Come on, bang, just bang, just get me out. So real quick, this is what it looks like, right? Now, say this is the New York Open. The time difference is messed up. All right, so here, this is the New York Open, and say I say, hey, on the New York Open, I want to take if we break below the lowest low over here, I want to get in and I want to target, I don't know, 10 points, and my stop is 10 points. I go, you can do whatever contract size you want, right? Save. Now my order is in, and say I want to take, I say, but also if we break over the last high, I want to take that, and I want to take that for I don't know, 10 points and a 10-point stop, right? And then I place that order, right? So now my orders are in, and then I hit this button up here. This will go 1 minute at a time. It can go 15 seconds. It can go 30 seconds. I'll just go 1 minute. So boom, your trade won because you got filled and obviously filled. I take this off, and then I can now go back. I look at my stats, see the difference. So why you actually lost. Why did it lose? What's funny? So it shows you lost actually because inside that 1 minute candle, that's why you got to break it down to like 5-second or 15-second increments because there's obviously movement within the candle. But that's how it would work. I actually got sold out of that last con at but yeah, so like if you're doing it on the 1 minute, so if you were doing it on the 1 minute, you would actually go to that top piece and break it down to the like 15-second. So like the 15-second, you could actually see what happens. Because obviously within that 1 minute, you would have gotten hit. It went back and then went. So this is what I was talking about. Cove usually do the lifetime fee or monthly. This is what I was talking about, how they just grab liquidity and bounce this thing. Like that's exactly what I was looking for, kind of. Bro, they're going to take out Asia highs right here. Look at this shit pump. How dirty is that they got everyone's stops out and then they just pumped it? That's some dirty, dirty shit right there. They got people to get stopped out. And then they were like, got him. Got him. Dude, but anytime you get those flash candles, they usually backfill it. There's almost no volume traded on the way down, and the algos typically buy it back up to at least somewhere near the top. This one obviously went past, but that's why I scalped it, because usually it's a backfill. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I think so. If you look at the daily on the 4 hour, we inverted a fair value gap on the ES. It actually looks pretty good. Sean told me about it yesterday. I took a peek seeing, you know, if you got the drawdown on a bigger size on a personal account, and you don't have to sell out, it was definitely the play. Oh, yo, Tyler, you know what movie you got to watch? Have you seen the China Hustle by any chance? I feel like that's right up your alley. I've talked about it in here so many times. Whoever hasn't watched it, you got to watch the China Hustle. What is that, bro? Bro, it's on like Netflix or Amazon Prime. Bro, you watch this, you're gonna be like, dude, that was fucking crazy. It's a documentary about how the Chinese economy is just being propped up and how it's all fucking smoke and mirrors. Like wild shit, publicly traded companies that are like, there's nothing going on at these factories. And then all of a sudden, investors are going there 3 days before the investors go there. They start up the factories. People are working there. Investors show up. Oh, it looks great. Investors leave. 3 days later, everything goes back to being shut down. Dude, you got to watch it. It's called China Hustle. You could probably pay to watch it anywhere. Netflix probably has it. Here, for anybody that wants to watch the trailer to it, I think that's the trailer. It's I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to see where you can watch it. You probably watch it on Prime. Oh yeah, here you go. You can watch it on Prime. It's Godspeed. That de minimis rule ends Friday, so that means they're getting duties charged on everything. It's how communism works. We got news today, NVIDIA earnings after hours. NVIDIA earnings after hours. Yeah, I'm sure you can watch it other places. China Hustle full video. Like, I'm sure if you look on the internet, you could probably go fucking, you know, you could probably find it a bunch of places. But I just thought it was crazy. I think that's one of the most craziest documentaries. Now they can ship. Oh, that rule, Marie. Actually, that's going to help your Etsy store, by the way. Yo, Marie, that's going to help your Etsy store. FYI. Yeah, because they're not going to sell, they're not going to be able to sell all the cheap shit without paying duties. Actually, it's probably going to help Etsy in general. Earnings are going to be like 420, I think, Anderson. So My Funded Futures doesn't let you trade then. Guys, can't find NVDA on TradingView? What are you talking about? Yo, it's right there. Make sure you click all. It's right there. Yeah. Yeah, Marie. Oh, man. Are they going to break out of this flag to the upside? Is this going to be the fucking push? Bro, this pushes out. Oh, my fucking auto trader's in something right now. Oh, my $50. $50 make you holla. So I can't believe I made this account all the way back. Yo, sometimes you just feel it in your sack that we're going to all-time highs, brother. Yeah, I just feel it. I love when people ask me, how do you know? I just feel it. I feel it right here. Oh, man. Dude, I'm telling you, man, it looks like it wants to. We just crossed over Asia highs. I figured we would hit Asia highs. You got to assume they're going to run it into NVIDIA earnings. Sounds went out last night too. Show went silent. Yeah. I'm jumping off. I'm going to get something to eat. I'm going to be back at 2:15. 2:15, 2:30 today. I am slamming the fuck out of NVIDIA earnings. Yeah. Remember, don't trade at lunch. your portfolio could take a punch. But serious note, I think we're going to trend up. So we'll see what happens. If it dips a little bit here, I might buy the dip. But all right, I'll see you guys in like 2 hours, and I'm going to set up everything then for earnings. All right, peace.